Baadhi ya viongozi mbalimbali walifika katika ua wa shule wa Nyamagwa Mixed Secondary School kuangazia mpango wa mwakilishi wanawake katika kaunti ya Kisii Dorice Aburi aliyoubatiza mpango wa ushauri wa wanafunzi katika kaunti hiyo. Wanafunzi kutoka shule zaidi ya 70 walifika kwenye uwanja huu ambapo mashirika mbalimbali yalihudhuria vilevile ili kuwapa wanafunzi hawa ushauri na pia kuwapa motisha katika masomo yao. Seneta mteule Esio Kenyuri kwa upande wake alitoa historia ya maisha yake jinsi alivyolelewa na mzazi mmoja, japo hilo halikumzuia kutia juhudi masomoni.
I was born to a stable family, yes, but at a very young age I lost my father, who was the sole breadwinner of our family. So remaining with a single parent who had 5 children to take to school and ensure we had a very good life, at least get basic education. For that, I'm very grateful for my surviving parent, who is my mother. So girls and boys who are seated there, why am I giving this background? Just like you, I share your story and background of any other ordinary child in Kisii. Okoire vinaguna mache skuru, erinda tegerenga nkyo mwarimu agoteba. I went to Kenya Primary. I did well. I had more than 400 marks, earning my placement at the Kenya High School. Unajua Kenya High School? Unajua Kenya High School? It's a national school. Lakini mahali nilisoma primary ilikuwa public school tu kama nyinyi. So when I went to Kenya High School, I also did well, joining university, pursuing a Bachelor's of Science in Information Sciences. I also did certified public accountancy with KASNEB. KASNEB, a product of whatever you're doing in society. I did it in Kisii College of Accountancy. Slowly after graduating, like any other jobless graduate, I was out here tamarking for 2 years. So for the first time I earned a job after several applications. I had an opportunity to get a job at Safaricom as a customer care experience executive. Wanafunzi, wakati unapiga simu kuna wale ambao wanapokea hiyo simu kwa Safaricom na kukuambia maybe mteja kitu kama hiyo. That was my work. After 7 months, kwa sababu nilikuwa na lineage ya mambo ya leadership, in primary I was a bell ringer, in high school I was a house official, in campus I was a student leader. I actually became the first female vice president of the Students' Union of the Masai Mara University. Then later I joined other young people in pushing for matters that were affecting young people of this community. So that's how for the first time, it's in Nyaribayari, Nyanturago, where for the first time I had an opportunity to change my life to what it is now.
Viongozi wengine waliofika ni pamoja na Seneta Nyamira Okengo Mogeni, mbunge wa Kitutu Masaba Clive Gisairo, mbunge wa West Mogrango Steve Mogaka pamoja na wengine. Mama County alitaja kuwa ugonjwa wa COVID-19 ulitatiza zaidi masomo na vilevile kukarekodiwa na visa vingi vya mimba za mapema. Hili ndilo lililomsukuma kuanzisha mpango huu ili wanafunzi waelimishwe na vilevile kuongozwa katika uchaguzi wa taaluma mbalimbali mbeleni.
Today it was a mentorship day. I realized as a Mama County, Kisii County has a high rate of teen pregnancy, which comes along with HIV. We have cases of defilement. So through my knowledge, I managed to get some sponsors who came on board to mentor our girls and boys on the same. If you can agree with me, we've measured more on girls, letting away aside our boys. So today we did it here in Nyamawa Mixed Secondary School to empower both girls and boys, to tell them on the dangers of diseases, alcohol, and also how they can make good choices on their career choices. That was my major key today, and we had teachers from various institutions. The message for teachers to leaders is that we end the demonstrations so that our learners cannot be affected as when we had the COVID-19, which made them have their classes prolonged. So that's what I can say as per what happened today.
Akimaliza Cynthia Otieno, Chilonge Talent, Jambita.
Edwin Mokaya, Agr Kisii.